Denverites. Welcome to another State of the Market Monday. This time we're reviewing the glorious week of March 12th through March 18th, 2025. Spring is almost in the air, and so is our ever-changing real estate season. Let's dive right in. First up, new listings stayed fairly consistent with the week before. Yet, when we compare to last year, we see a substantial increase in sellers entering the scene. Properties in that magical coming soon status followed suit, showing strong growth year over year, but slipping slightly compared to last week. Active units this week total 8,202, climbing another 4.5% from the prior week, pushing inventory earlier than we'd usually expect this season. If you're a buyer, consider this your invitation to shop around. If you're a seller, you'll want to be strategic because that quiet, low inventory era is taking a breather. Now, about those 16,538 showings. That's up 3.4% from last week. Some areas saw a minor dip thanks to spring break. We all know how that goes. Kiddos out of school, family trips, maybe a last-minute mountain getaway. But don't fret. Once the backpacks go back on, we historically see showings bounce right back. Keep an eye out on your local district's calendar. Folks, timing is everything. As for pending deals, 1,083 homes went under contract, a 3.1% increase week over week, suggesting that steady buyer demand is staying in the game. Interestingly, this figure is still higher than the same time last year, which signals a market that hasn't lost its spark entirely. Meanwhile, closed units hit 733, a 14.5% bump from the last week, proof that not everyone is on vacation. With the continued rise in listings, our predictive supply of inventory held pretty steady. Actual months of supply sat at 1.7, a 1.3% uptick over last week. While we're nowhere near a fully balanced market, it's definitely more relaxed than last year's frenzy. Odds of selling crept up slightly, but it's still lower than 2024 levels, purely because we've got more homes to go around. If you're a seller, that means price smart, present well, and manage your expectations. This market is more akin to a marathon than last year's spring. The median days on market hovered at 15, a 7.1% increase from last week. That's still higher than last spring, giving buyers more breathing room. Yet, interestingly, the number of showings needed to seal the deal dipped. So once buyers find the right home, they're pulling the trigger a bit faster. It's a curious mix, slow but decisive. Price reductions, still a factor. Just over 1/3 of homes going pending had to trim the tag at least once, and the average reduction ticked up slightly. In a market with more inventory, there's less room for let's try a lofty price and see what happens. Strategy is everything, especially if you want those offers rolling in before the next wave of listing hits. So my friends, that's your snapshot for the week of March 12th through March 18th, 2025. We've got more listings, more showings, and still a solid batch of buyers out there. Sellers, keep your home shining and the price realistic. Buyers, enjoy the breathing room, but be ready to pounce when that dream home appears. God bless your listings, God bless your offers, and God bless the robust real estate landscape of Mile High City. Tune in next week, and as always, may your negotiations be swift and your closings victorious.